Thank you for joining Ride Fit Nation, hosted by Sensei. This is where you ride your ride and leave the excuses on the road. Our mission on this channel is to go for miles, money, and muscle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's go.
What up, family? What up? What up? All right, today I'm heading to go and pick up my lift. I'm supposed to go to Tampa to a fitness event. My man CT Fletcher, Midwest Kong, and a couple other guys going to be out there doing a lift off. So I'm going to go out there and support it and be out there. But my lift's supposed to have been here about 2 days ago. But of course, the company called me and said, hey man, it's going to be here about Tuesday. Now I could wait until Tuesday. But you know when you're excited about getting something? Well, I'm excited about getting the lift in my garage. I've always wanted a lift, and finally I have the opportunity. Let me wipe this off. My screen is always dirty and dusty. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go pick it up. They're gonna just put the load on the trailer and I head back. So let's go. Let's do it. Let's see what's right though.
Now the bottom piece is fine. I mean, it's nice.
Woo, get this joint. Oh boy.
This was, hey fellas, this was a headache right here, boy. But these boys are smart, cause I would have been here all day trying to figure this out. Now the question is, how we gonna get it back on?
That's why when I asked this question, I wasn't being smart with you, bro. I was being dead ass serious.
Yeah,
Y'all want me to take
that's
this off.
that's all good, bro.
Your ass really entertained.
I'm entertained by this.
Hold on, bro. He like that.
Hey, this is entertainment, bro. Cause you know what? We learn it, right?
Yeah.
So that's what it's about, man. I tell my kids all the time, learn every day. Don't get frustrated by it, but learn. Cause look, he said the same thing. Who said it? One of them said the same thing. Yeah,
He said the same shit I said.
Yeah.
We wasn't even, so it's just like even if I did that, like I'm gonna get it off.
Right.
So we usually got like
They have a long blade.
we got a long blade there.
As it bring it in.
It's down.
Damn.
Yeah, I wanna fix that.
They need to fix that. It's broken.
Yeah, it's like I think something wrong. Like I don't think it's the engine. It's something wrong with it. There, go. One day it just stopped.
Woo.
Put that bottom, bro.
We got snap, crackle, pop over here, people.
No,
All right, so listen.
My last question is, how you
got
get
it.
this off?
Oh, I'm gonna break it off. Yeah, I'm gonna break out the whole all right, so right there. It's not 1,500 pounds. It's a 1,500 pound capacity. It's like probably like 300-400 pounds. So me and my people are gonna get it off.
You said this for motorcycle? You trying to fix your motorcycle?
No, I fixed mine, yeah. So I'm putting this in the garage in the house.
Right there, right.
Tell it to the YouTube squad, bro. Say it again. Who?
You just call me Kobe, that's it.
That's Kobe right there, baby. The great boy. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's get it, boy.
I'm saying, y'all.
Let's go, baby. Let's get it, man. Yo. Respect, you heard?
Yeah, brother.
Yo, I'm from Jamaica, man, and New York, the Bronx.
Where you from?
New York, the Bronx.
Where
Yo,
in Jamaica you from?
y'all see this? This is what we talking about, man. This is teamwork right here, and that's what it's about, man. These boys got this thing on. The big question is how I'm gonna get it off. We gonna figure it out. Y'all know how to do it. Ready? We gonna get it. Man, these parts is heavy. I'm gonna see what I can do by myself, but I know I'm gonna need help. So I'm gonna have to get my sledgehammer and break this damn case. Second thought, no sledgehammer, because I don't wanna have to bang this thing up, at least not right now, man. So I'm just gonna use a regular nail, a regular screwdriver, and a regular hammer. Maybe I could baby it out, like scoot it back a bit. See what that does. Oh. Yes, another piece that comes off, which means a little less weight. Woo! There's a whole lot more pieces that come off. Thank you. Oh, that make a heck of a difference. Tight move. Move out the way, buddy. Now I'm confident that I'll get this thing out. Anything else to take off? Yep. See? More stuff to take off. Woo! Go. It's much lighter now. Still heavy, but much lighter. Oh, what a difference. What a difference. Come on, Sensei. Show me what the hell you made of, boy. Show me what you are made of. Woo! Heck yeah. Yo, you know I gotta add you guys into the whole process of Ride Fit Nation, right? Because that's what we're here for. We're all a part of the same thing. Let's go, baby. This bastard. This has to be the hard part. But it's okay. We're born for hard parts. Let's go. Ready? Yeah. That's why we work out, baby. That's why we work out. That's why we work out. Ah. Woo. Yo, that's a workout. But now the hard part, right, is flipping this bastard over. Let's do it. All right, let's go. Let's flip. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Come on, boy. Let's go, Sensei. Do your damn thing, baby. Now let's go. Ready? Ah. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Celebration. Woo. All right, let's see the hardware that comes in this thing. That way we can get everything opened up and laid out and put it together. So these are gonna be the railings for the wheel chock area.
So the bike is now on the lift. It's perfect. It looks good. Got a couple of little things I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna install the floorboards just to get a feel of it. But look, you see it? I mean, I could have strapped this up differently though, but for now it's in place. The wheel chock is able to fit my fat tire, which I was a little worried about at first, but it definitely fits the fat tire. I'm happy about that. So now when I'm working, I have the ability to work and not hurt my back. You see what I'm saying? And this has a nice little safety guard right there, which I like a lot. Really good safety guard. So here we go, guys. This is it, baby. This is it. This is it. I got this from Discount Ramps. Yeah, Discount Ramps. All right, I paid about, I think it's like 14 and change for it. After shipment and everything, it comes out close to $2,000. Not bad though, not bad. I prefer to buy a brand new one than buying a secondhand one. I was looking for a secondhand one, but I decided just to go new. Woo, I'm happy. All right, the next video, you'll see me working with this. Let's go.